Your favorite Southern chicken just got even better. Hey, y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and that's right. You remember whenever we brought you the Southern chicken and they had a buffet? Well, now they have a breakfast buffet. Let's go. Check it out. Thing is, don't forget your gloves. And they have ham, bacon, sausage and eggs. And some items are specialty items, which you have to order separate from the buffet. This is my favorite, Eggs Benedict. But it comes with the buffet, but it's special order. Eggs Benedict, my favorite. Look at that goodness right there. This is like a Southern delicacy. Those of you like shrimp and grits, I love this. Oh goodness, my arthritis hands won't let me get into it. Look at that, delicious. Ooh. See there? I can't wait to bite into it. The only thing missing was the mimosas. Well, there you have it. That was a taste of the breakfast buffet at the Southern Chicken, located right here in Surfside. And remember, the early bird always gets the worm.